And welcome to the inaugural version of Rants of a Middle-Aged Weatherman. This is basically where I take what you're complaining about to me, and I complain back to you. But I'm going to use some science and weather to prove my point. And one thing that I've been hearing a lot about, basically since Christmas and kind of leading up to Christmas, since there wasn't much snow leading into the holidays, where's winter? When's it going to come? We don't have winter anymore. Well, we do have winter, although this one definitely getting off to a slow start. But I'm going to show you why this actually happens every single year. We get off to this slow start through the middle of January, then the bulk of our snow comes after January 15th. Here's the situation right now. This is snow cover forecast for the next 8 to 10 days, and there's not a lot of snow cover. You can see we have a little bit on January 10th, but most of it is bottled back up toward Canada. A little bit tries to come down. A little storm system is going to clip us this weekend with rain back to the northwest. There will be some snow with that storm system, but the snow really stays away from us and really stays bottled up through the middle of the month. Notice by January 16th, though, that snowpack beginning to slowly push to the south. That does a couple of things. One, it lays the ground for colder air, and we haven't seen a lot of true Arctic air so far this winter. Now, as we go through the next couple of days, all the Arctic air stays bottled up in Canada. Notice that pink shading, that's where temperatures are 0 to 20 degrees below zero, and the white temperatures minus 20 or colder. And again, notice by the time we get to the middle of January, we're really starting to get a pack of colder air to the north. We need to get that pack of colder air to the north before we can push that to the south and eventually get snow into our area. So what's my argument on all this? When I tell people, look, be patient, winter is still yet to come. I dug up the numbers over the last 14 years, and before January 15th, we only average about 14.6 inches of snow. Yes, we're a little low on that this year, but still have a couple days to make up for that before we get to the middle of the month. After January 15th, though, through the rest of winter, we average nearly 2.5 feet of snow. There is still plenty of winter left. Stop complaining about the fact that winter isn't here yet when we still have a lot of winter on the calendar, more than 2 months. And snow season around here sometimes goes until the middle of April. And that's what I'm ranting about today.